urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Highland Hills, or 10 miles south of Willow Wick, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willow Wick, Shelton, Fairport Harbor, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Solon, Willoughby, Eastlake, South Russell, Madison, Middlefield, Perry, Burton, Chesterman, South Euclid, Mayfield Heights, and Lyndhurst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake